Guys, welcome to Sub YouTube channel. If this is the first time of watching our channel, please do it to subscribe. Today we want to bring to you about Lack. So Lack is another platform that is an alternative to Yo.fan. Okay, Lack will give you quick approval, so it's a boom, a good update for mostly uh game lovers. Okay, and those who are developers. What you need to do is just for you to sign up. You can sign up by going to Google, go to Google and type lagged.com. You've seen lagged.com. Okay. You search via Google. Okay. Developer game. You've seen it's the first one here. You go to lag.com. Okay. You've seen it's exactly just like Yo.fan showing ads here on their main platform. What you need to do is for you to click sign up. Sign up as you click this place. The top right hand corner of your the screen is a login and sign up for free. You click sign up for free. You put on your name. Okay, I choose soft. Okay, I put on my email. Let me use another email for an example. Then I choose character, at least 6 character. Okay, you choose 6 character. I'm just hiding it for now. Okay, you create an account. It's telling you waiting. Wow, it's telling you welcome soft. You save the password. Okay, it said copy and paste your link. Okay, XP until next level 35. Okay, said continue. Okay, said achievement to earn. This is not the real portal you need to sign up. Okay, this is the portal that you will sign up. I'll give you, but you will create that one aside. I'll give you the developer section that will say add your game to lack.com, earn revenue, share with Google Adsense, sign up for developer account now to submit your game. What you need to do is one, you put your name. Which name do I use? I use soft. I use the city man's email. Okay, your password, same password I use in the other side. Don't worry, I'll drop you all the links. Okay, then you submit. Okay, it's asking Google AdSense ID. Say don't worry. You go to your AdSense dashboard. This is an account that was disapproved. It's loading. The same email you've seen. Okay, this is another email. I'm using. Let's go, and you can use different email, but what is there is, for sake of clarity, let all your mail be one. Why I'm using this one is just for an example. So what is there is, I need to apply for review based on this one. Okay, what do I want is the publisher's ID. Let's go. Click this place. Let's go. It's coming up so that I can see the publisher's ID. Come on, it's delaying. Let me refresh. Okay, it was network issue. So I click let's go. It take me there. What I want is the publisher's ID. Okay, now pop up the I copy the publisher's ID. I take it down to lag.com. It's asking publisher's ID. It said if you don't have AdSense, you can sign up here. For those who have AdSense but not approved, just like the other one of my account. So remember, let this your email be your AdSense, that same AdSense email. So I change it to soft, okay, so that it correspond, but the app own can be different. But for the sake of uniqueness, not for you not to confuse, use one email for all. Then I submit, save the password. Then it's pending. So in the other place from your AdSense, it say approve game, pending game. Okay, thank you for your interest in our revenue sharing platform. Our developer panel and Adsense for you is in beta. Join our Discord if you have uh any issue. Okay, this is what you do. Said upload new game. What is there is you, from that your AdSense, you said add new site. Okay, okay, this one is Yo.fan. This one you said add new site. Click here, add new site. Then the place that you said add new site, just put lagged.com. You save. You say let's go. It's the same publisher's ID. I've done it. 135. Next, it will be under review, just like Yo.fan, lag.com, because the Adsense is managed by a platform. It's loading. It's loading. Okay. You've seen now that of Yo.fan and that of lag. You've seen now. I say thank you for your review. So that is just it. You wait for the approval. Immediately the approval is done, you come here and upload new game. Then as you're uploading your game, you're also checking this other platform. So don't worry about the link. I'm going to drop you this other link for you to sign up from the video description. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful. If it is helpful, can I see your likes, your comments? Please do well to subscribe to this channel, as this channel is for educational purpose and to help you based on online also. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Please subscribe.